So hello everybody, we're here today to talk about the partnership between Phocuswright and Travel Technology Europe. I'd like to introduce Pete from Phocuswright and Dave from Travel Technology Europe. Hello both of you.
Hello there.
Hello, Rochelle.
Pete, let's start with you. Recently Northstar acquired TTE. What does it mean to have TTE in the Phocuswright family?
Focusrite is thrilled to have TTE as part of the Focusrite family. Through a combination of TTE as a premier leader in Europe from a buyer-seller travel technology event perspective, combining that with Focusrite and our industry research and coverage of travel technology trends through our research channel as well as through our Focuswire channel is a really powerful combination. So we're excited to bring some of the elements of Focusrite to TTE, including our Battleground event for the first time. So we're really excited about that, as well as some curated content sessions, research presentations, senior level content interviews. So we're excited about that.
Sounds great. Dave, from your side, what does it mean to be in the Focuswright family?
We're really pleased to be part of Focusrite. So, as Pete said about their research and their credibility with the industry, it really helps with their education program. For our audiences, it brings a whole new level to our education content. Delivering thought leadership content to our audiences. So it kind of brings, TTE in terms of that side of things to a whole new level. And also the event is free to attend as well. So being a trade show.
So for those of the audience who don't know TTE as well as we do,
right?
Let me ask you a question. If the Queen of England visited the TTE stand at Focusrite, how would you describe the event to her in 20 words or less? No pressure, Dave.
Okay, I suppose I describe it in the way that I describe it to some of my friends. Yeah, so I would say that TTE is the showcase of technology that your subjects would use for their trips, Your Majesty.
Very good. I guess there's a number of events already in this space. What makes TTE different?
I suppose Travel Technology Europe, what makes us different is that we're the only dedicated technology event in Europe.
Right.
We have a very targeted and specific audience of decision makers. There are no time wasters coming on to TTE. There are, people know that there's, large generic trade shows in the marketplace, both in Europe and overseas. But the thing that our audiences and our exhibitors like most about us is that they come to TTE, they get to see technology, they get to see all the right technology players, and then our exhibitors they only get to speak to IT decision makers.
Well, that takes me nicely on to my next question. What type of visitor do you normally attract?
So typically TTE attracts senior commercial management from travel agents, tour operators and OTAs. And then as we get into the larger OTA and intermediary marketplace, both on the business travel and on the leisure side, we're attracting IT, commercial, IT, e-commerce, and marketing directors and SVPs.
Okay, sounds great. Sounds like a good key audience there. Just to wrap this up, if I was to say to you, give us TTE in key numbers, what would you say to that?
17 years as Europe's only dedicated event. We attract over 5,000 attendees yearly.
Yes.
And then our exhibitors, we're showcasing around about 100 suppliers, booking systems, reservation, content management, data analytics, websites, marketing solutions, anything that a travel agent or a tour operator needs to either help them make some money or to streamline the process to actually help them save some money as well.
Sure. Tell us when it is and where it is.
Okay, yeah, so Travel Tech is 26th and 27th of February. It'll be in London. It's a free event to attend and registration is open right now. So just search for Travel Technology Europe on the website on Google.
Thank you both. Thank you, Pete. Thank you, Dave.
Thank you, Rochelle.
Thank you, everybody. And I hope we see you at Travel Technology Europe next year, February 26th to 27th.